fam, that's what they call me. I promise that you'll never be lonely.
Hi guys, it's us. We're going to do more slime with my slime kits. In a bubble. We got the balloons. We got some slime. So get into it. And guys, we've already made like one for Mum and one for Luke and one for William and one for me. And my one's upstairs inside my room. Where I did my first video, but today we're going to do another slime video. So guys, we need to get all the way up to 25. The reason why I took the lid off is it takes really long just to get a little bit out. So we've got to make sure we get about 25 into it. This makes it even harder. Papa! That's Lucas now doing it. It's really hard to get it out for me.
You're doing really well then.
Okay guys, so we're going to put 45 millilitres of water inside of it. So let's do it. Okay, so guys, now we're going to put all this water in here, so I'm going to pour it. Let's just turn the whole thing upside down.
Next person.
Hey!
So we go. Thank you, Piggy Pig. I'm Piggy Pig. Thank you, Piggy Pig. I'm Piggy Pig. I'm Teletubbies. Water, because I said it yes.
Okay.
I'll get it to out.
Cool, dude.
Again, super blue now.
That is super blue, isn't it?
Ooh.
So now we can am I going to do it with this? Okay.
You can do.
Okay. Don't make a mess. Don't make a mess, streak. And then drop it. Bubble. Oh, you have to get a ball. I'll make the ball. Yeah. I'll do one more scoop and I'm done. Yes. Done. I'm like Jeff the Builder.
Stir, stir, stir.
Jeff the Killer.
That's
Get
a
really
cool
sticky.
colour. I think that's my favourite colour so far.
That's pink.
Yeah, I love the pink.
That's pink. Girls like pink.
You ready? It's glitter time!
Glitter time!
What colour you got, William?
White. I'm going to put white in.
So what colour have you got, Luca?
Oh, gold.
Silver.
Silver.
Yeah.
Snow blue.
What you got to do then?
We need it to put in.
You got to put it in, haven't you?
Yeah.
You're going to tip it in. Yay!
Okay, well done. That'll do.
Whoa, that's it, that's it.
Good white.
Get in white now. Thank you. Bye-bye, white. Meow. So now, guys, I'm going to add my pink glitter in.
To your yellow slime.
Yeah.
That looks super cool colours.
Yeah.
Do you know who it reminds me of?
Who?
Mr. Blobby.
Yeah, it does a bit, yeah.
Who is that?
Oh,
You
right,
don't
yeah.
know who Mr. Blobby is?
No.
Okay.
Look at me. Like the elf on Fortnite. Look at me. Guys,
You
if
doing
don't
it
know
as
what
well?
Fortnite is, it's like a game where you like shoot, and there's a new game called Endgame on it, and it's like the new Avengers film. Okay, so that's what we're doing was from Fortnite, and so there's a new AIDS game where you get where you have to kill criminals with Infinity Stones, and you have like
stones in the
you have Force Axe, shield, and you also have the bow.
Where are you going, Matt?
It's Captain America's turn.
No, it's mine. Captain America's turn.
That's me.
No, it's mine.
Yeah, I'm Captain America. I'm on Avengers from Infinity War, so aka Fortnite Endgame.
Wow.
Just tip it in, Bam.
There you go.
Just keep Fortnite. Just keep stirring. Just keep shooting.
I'll pick it up.
Okay, welcome back, guys. And we're gonna we are not going to put it in this, but at least that's the last of the slime video. We all decided not to do in a slime bubble, but we can like play with the slime like normally. And here is my one, what I made like
Last week.
last week, and it went pretty good.